Oh, to the other side, look back. The other side. Oh, yeah. That stair is good. Hold up. Let me see how the light. Oh, do that look back again. Hold up. Yep, that's good. Chin rack. Yep. Look back. One more. Hey everyone.
Hi.
Change the outfit. Nice.
Check it out.
Fall style.
We're about to shoot.
Yeah, we're gonna choose a different location above the bridge. Stay tuned. Bye.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only
Yep, yeah. This way is good. Maybe a couple more. I'm trying to get the tree. Yep, yeah. Put the hair blocking the sun on this side, on the right side. Because the sun is too bright on this side. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah, wait. That stair is good. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Yep, freestyle right here. I'm gonna do a video like that. Hold up.
I love this.
about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew
Shoes.
Oh yeah, wait. Let me do a full body. Hold up. Let me start with the half body and then do full body. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold up, one more. One, 2, 3, go. Oh, to the other side, look back. The other side, look back. That's. Love that. 1, 2, 3, go. Half body. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, love that. Slightly triangle that hand. Hold up. Let me change here. Oh, yeah. That stair is good. Hold up. Let me see how the light. Okay, that stair. Nice couple of freestyle right there. Let me include the shoes. Hold up. Slightly lean in. Yep. Yeah, maybe this way. Yeah, this way is good. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, that's there is good. The leg maybe it's straight, maybe like walking motion to there. 1, 2, 3, go. Love it. Oh, we can use this side though. Yeah, let's.
This is such a cool.
Oh yeah, this is good, right?
I love it.
Oh wow, the river.
Yeah, I know, right?
Wait. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my
What
god.
did you just do? That is beautiful.
Oh my god.
That is so cool. I look like I'm going to the library.
Oh.
I'm going to the library.
Oh my gosh,
to read
yeah.
some books. That's beautiful. It's so warm.
Wow, the
and
light.
like gold.
Oh my god, the light. Hold up. Let's see in focus. Oh yeah, in focus.
OMG.
Oh my god, that hair is very so smooth.
Yeah, I know, right? I see that. Do you want to do some shots without the jacket? Or
Oh
just go
yeah,
with it?
let's do it without jacket also. But let's go over here first, because the lighting is more backlight here.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, you could kind of like.
You can walk with different pose here, because you can do a lean like that.
Look at that.
Oh, that's good. Oh my god, look at that.
I know, it's like.
That path is good.
I know, right? It's so cool. It's like a little.
Yeah.
Phew.
Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Love it. Love it. Nice. Oh yeah, sideways using, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so a little bit of the skirt, yeah.
Kind of like this.
It might be too tight, that one. Oh yeah. Wait, the triangle, hold up. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and look back this way, yep. Yep, and the freestyle changing right there. Hold up, let me. Love that. How about it? Look back. Oh yeah, the motion's there. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Hold up, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Love it. One, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, look at that size, good too. Hold up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, couple without the jacket so that the hand different pose.
Yeah.
Good. 1, 2, 3, go. Love it. Oh, nice. Wait, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Hold up. Yeah, straight. Yep, portrait. Love it. One more. Chin down, steer camera. Yep. Portrait. Yep. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Oh yeah. Wait, that's good. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Let me do a video like that. Hold up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Let me do horizontal. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, do that low back again. Hold up. One more. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Yeah, yes. More. Let the wind flow. Yep. Hold up. That same sequence. Let me do horizontal. Start from that side first. 1, 2, 3, go. And then this one, same sequence, let the hair flow, yep. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh my god, that's leaves falling.
It's so cool.
Oh my god.
OMG, this is like
Wow.
reels for days.
Oh yeah.
The wind is like my best friend.
Oh yeah, the wind is flowing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me do yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try.
Tag is behind me.
Yeah, behind you.
So
Maybe you
that
use
one,
the
yeah.
longer one, yeah. Hold up, yeah, just let it flow and then let's see how it goes. Oh yeah.
This is like a throwback.
Yeah, it's like flow back.
Years versus
Couple
now.
years, yeah. 1, 2. Maybe on the side it's easier to compose. Hold up.
Yeah.
on this side, just
Maybe I
slightly.
could do like
Because this sun. Oh yeah, like this. Oh, look over the shoulder.
What I was gonna do is put it over my head.
Oh yeah, that's good. Hold up, that's good.
Here, let's do something like this.
Yep. Come one more step closer to the back. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, the motion is good. Wait, let's see the frame. Hold up.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
It looks so good in
Oh,
the
yeah.
light. Ah. Yeah, let's do like...
Cause so there's some light, and then looking back, hold it. So a little bit of solder. Hold up.
Oh yeah, sorry.
So wait, so it's smooth the top. Okay, yeah. This is good.
Like this?
And then
Let's try here.
yeah. Yep. And then close the hand closer so that.
This one or this one?
Yeah. Just like freestyle right there. Yeah. Just yeah. Just like that. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Look back is good. Hold up. 1, 2. Look back. Now you can freestyle. Slightly turn in toward me. Yep. Yep, love that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the wind. Let the flow. Yep. Let it flow. Let it flow. Maybe like hanging and let the wind flow it. Oh yeah. Hold up. That's good. And get the full body. And then turn back. Yes. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Love that. Look back. Yep. Couple free. Different pose. Maybe leaning back. Yep. Hold up. That's good. One, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's good.
I'll put it like over.
Oh yeah, put it over the scarf style. One more. Yep.
The hair is like
Yeah, the hair in the way a little bit. Yep. 1, 2. Oh wait, that pose is good. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's good. Chin rack. Yep. Look back. One more. Oh yeah, that's good.
good.
Yeah, that's good. Wait, let's see.
That's cute.
Oh.
I love it.
Oh yeah, this is good.
And the red, you can really see it in the back.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
popping through.
It's popping through the red.
Oh, those ones.
Oh
are
yeah, this is
nice.
good too. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah, this is high
that's
angle.
So cool.
Oh wow. Oh yeah,
I
this
love
one.
it.
Okay, I think we got.
I think we got it.
We got it. Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh yeah. Hi everyone.
Hello. We just finished up.
Yeah, it's very good. We got.
No, it was amazing. It was the bridge over there.
Yeah, it's very good. Right? The light is very good.
It was beautiful.
Yeah,
Can't wait for you guys
we
to
got
see.
a lot of shots, and then stay tuned for the POV and all the shots in her Instagram also here.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Follow me.
Oh yeah.